Hello everyone, my name is Suraj Patil and in today's video we will be going to see how you can import the prospect data and assign it to your telecallers. So our agenda would be how to download the import format template, how to copy and paste the corrected data in the CRM template format, how you can assign your prospect data to the telecallers from the Excel sheet, and lastly how the import process is done. So let's get started. We have made the import and assignment process very easy by creating a CRM template format where it has a predefined parameters which are needed to upload the prospect data. Also, you can assign your telecallers the prospect from the Excel sheet. The product and the lead source can be added through the Excel sheet itself. Let's see a live demo how we can import and assign it to your telecallers. So this is our prospect data that was corrected. Now we want to copy this data and paste it into the CRM format. So to do that, पहले आपको संवा टेलीकॉलर एप्लीकेशन में जाना है, प्रोस्पेक्ट मॉड्यूल पे जाके इंपोर्ट पे क्लिक करना है. यहाँ पे आपको फाइल टेम्पलेट डाउनलोड करने का ऑप्शन मिलेगा. यू जस्ट हैव टू क्लिक ऑन इट. It will download the predefined format. Okay, so this is the format which is downloaded from the CRM. यहाँ पे it has the same parameters that we corrected in our previous sheet. Okay. So I'll just copy the first name, last name, Control C. Okay, the company name, स्टेटस को हम बाद में देखेंगे. फ़ोन नंबर्स, जो फ़ोन नंबर्स हमने करेक्ट फॉर्मेट में किए थे, कॉपी. ईमेल एड्रेसेस, प्रोडक्ट. अगर आपके एक्सेल शीट में ऑलरेडी देयर आर प्रोडक्ट्स मेंशन्ड देन यू कैन ऐड द प्रोडक्ट. जैसे हमारे प्रोस्पेक्ट की शीट में ऑलरेडी वी हैड द प्रोडक्ट्स. सो आई विल जस्ट कॉपी एंड पेस्ट द प्रोडक्ट डिटेल. लीड सोर्स भी हमारे पुराने एक्सेल शीट में था, सो आई विल जस्ट कॉपी एंड पेस्ट इट. Okay, now we are left with two things, that is the status and whom this prospect should be assigned. Like कौन से telecaller को ये prospect assign होना चाहिए. So as you can see in the status there is a option that is a drop down. So to know what are the drop down, you can again download the drop down list from the Samvad application itself. As you can see over here, there is an option to download the drop down list, and also there is an option to download the drop down usernames of the telecallers that you will assign it in the Excel sheet. Okay, so we have already downloaded that. As you can see the prospect download list. What are the drop downs mentioned in my CRM? So status के लिए assign, follow up, interested and not interested है. So at initial stage मेरे सारे prospects assign stage में ही होंगे. तो मैं सारे प्रोस्पेक्ट्स को असाइन स्टेज में डाल दूंगा. ओके, अब मुझे ये प्रोस्पेक्ट कौन से टेलीकॉलर को असाइन करना है. सो आई विल टेक द यूजर नेम्स, आई कैन मेंशन रैंडमली, और या आप इसको इक्वली भी डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर सकते हो. ये हमने यहाँ पे यूजर नेम्स ऐड कर दिए. नाउ आवर डेटा इज रेडी टू गेट इंपोर्टेड इनटू द CRM. ओके, सो लेट्स फर्स्ट डाउनलोड दिस डेटा. Come to the Samvad Telecaller application. यहाँ पे it is asking drag and drop the CSV file. You can use the Excel file also. So हमने हमारी Excel file यहाँ पे डाउनलोड कर ली है और यहाँ पे ऐड कर दी है. Click on create new records. Go to next. This screen will show you what is the data in your Excel sheet. Just verify it once. Click on next. As I said that the CRM gives you a predefined parameters template so that you don't have to map your fields over here. If there are few fields which are missing for mapping, so you can map them. जैसे हमारा फर्स्ट नेम यहाँ पे मैप हो चुका है, लास्ट नेम हम मैप करेंगे, स्टेटस सिलेक्ट करेंगे, ईमेल आईडी सिलेक्ट करेंगे, हमारा प्रोडक्ट सिलेक्ट कर लेंगे, ओनर इज नथिंग बट द टेलीकॉलर्स यूज़र नेम. तो ओनर के सामने हम यूज़र नेम या फ़ोन नंबर डाल देंगे और मेरा लीड सोर्स. ओके, नाउ वी हैव मैप्ड द फील्ड्स. लेट्स क्लिक ऑन नेक्स्ट. As I told you, you can check the duplicate of the prospect through the phone या email. So यहाँ पे अगर मुझे email address के through prospects check करना है, if there are duplicate in the Excel sheet, we can do this. You can just select the field and drop it over here and click on import. After clicking on import, you will get a notification bar where you will see the status of the import. यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हो total number of 44 prospects were imported, 27 are created, 27 prospects are created in the CRM. One prospect was duplicate as it has given me the record which prospect was duplicate, and there are 16 errors in my list. So वो error क्या है, CRM हमको उसका reason भी बताता है. As you can see over here, due to empty inputs, action will not be performed. That means the email IDs for this prospects were missing. That's why CRM didn't accept it. So what you can do is that you can directly download the error records. You can download the error records, correct them, and again import it into the CRM with the same process. Now we have created 27 records. Let's see how they see it in the CRM. I'll go to my dashboard. I'll change it to my team dashboard. There are 27 prospects that are added in the CRM. And from the list view, I can see total 27 are added into the CRM. So this is how you can import and assign data to the telecallers in Samvad Telecaller application. In the next video, we will see how your telecallers can start calling from the mobile application. Thank you.